Hello. In this video we are going to talk about texture mapping. So what are we doing? We have a polygon, we project it to the screen and clip if necessary. Then we take the projection of this polygon and fill it with a texture. So we project and clip a polygon onto the screen. I won't be explaining this process, but what we're left is a bunch of left and right axes. So how does this work? We take x and y within a projected polygon. X and y are in the screen space, and we put them into these formulas to get u and v. U and v gives us the coordinates in the polyplane, and they are between 0 and 1. After that, we transform u and v coordinates to s and t using affine transformation to get to the texture space. Initializing S. S is a vector that holds our x and y screen coordinates. These screen coordinates are updated during the scan loop. SZ is the screen distance, and it can be assigned only once during initialization. Initializing screen to poly equations. We have three polygon vertices in 3D space, and we need to calculate PM and N. And this is how it's done, and these minuses here are vector subtraction. So this is the full calculation that gets us from screen to polyspace. We have initialization and these formulas. Next we have the affine transform. First we have to initialize the equations. Mathematically these are the plane equations, but we use them to calculate the texture coordinates. These t's over here are the coordinates in the texture space. And one other thing that we have to do is calculate the distance, or z coordinate, for the z buffer. So this is the mathematical equation for a plane, and using these two equations we get this formula for the z. The numerator part can be initialized only once, and the denominator is the same as for u and v coordinate. So this is the source code that I will be providing on GitHub. So this here is the initialization of affine mapping. This here is the initialization of UV mapping. This is the initialization for z calculation. Here we calculate u and v. Here we calculate s and t. And here we draw the point. Please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.